Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sign out of Fiverr on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen at the bottom you're gonna see options like home, messages, search, orders, and your user icon. Tap on your user icon, there you're gonna see categories like My Fiverr, settings and resources. Well, you're gonna have to go ahead and tap on account under settings, then a logout option will appear halfway through your screen. Tap on logout and select yes from your screen, then you'll successfully log out of Fiverr. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign out of Fiverr accounts. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.